Hello everyone, welcome back to the video series of Learn German lessons. I hope you all are staying safe. So guys, this video might be very important for you if you have just started learning German or you're a beginner. You can click on the I button and watch our video on how to introduce yourself in German. In this video, we will be discussing Satzstruktur, Pronomen and Verb Endung. You might be familiar with these three sentences. Ich heiße Alex. Wohnst du in Berlin? Kommen Sie aus Indien? Here, ich, du and sie. These three are the pronomens. Ich is the pronoun for the first person. Du and sie are for the second person. Du is informal and is used when you are having a conversation with family or friends. But sie is formal and is used when you are talking to strangers or having an official conversation. Now, just have a look on the pronouns and observe carefully the verb endings. The verb here is heißen. Heißen. Ich heiße Alex. The ending with ich is e. Wie heißt du? The ending with du is t. Wie heißen Sie? The ending with sie is en. You can see the conjugation of sie is the easiest as it is the same as the infinitive form of the verb. And do remember that these endings totally depends upon the subject that you are using in the sentence. Next verb is wohnen. Wohnen. This is the infinitive form and the conjugations would be like ich wohne, du wohnst, sie wohnen. The next one is kommen. Kommen. Ich komme, du kommst, sie kommen. Now I will tell you the sentence structures of different types of sentences. Ich heiße Alex. Here ich is the subject and heiße is the verb. The subject always conjugates the verb and the verb mostly comes at the second position. Next example is Ich wohne in Berlin. Here ich is the subject and wohne is the verb. Now let's move on to different types of questions. You have already learned these types of questions before. Questions that starts with wie, was, wo or woher. These are known as W-Fragen. The first one is Wie heißen Sie? Here, Sie is the subject and heißen is the verb. The next one is Woher kommst du? Here, du is the subject and kommst is the verb. In all the W-Fragen, verb comes at the second position. Now let's come to the Ja-Nein Fragen. The answers to these questions is either yes or no. That is why these are known as Ja-Nein Fragen. You might remember these types of questions. The first one is Sind Sie ledig? Here, Sie is the subject and sind is the verb. But in these types of questions, the verb is placed at the first position and the subject follows the verb. Please remember that these types of questions are an exception to the rule that we have just learned. That is, here the verb comes at the first position and the subject follows the verb. Another example is Haben Sie Kinder? Here, haben is the verb and is placed on the first position and sie is following haben. Now you have to try to make the sentences by rearranging. And do remember that you have to place the verb on the second position, but in case of Ja-Nein Fragen, verb should be placed on the first position. The answer would be Wie heißt du? Here it would be Ich heiße Alex. Alex kommt aus China. This one is a Ja-Nein Frage as we have a question mark after verheiratet. So it would be Ja, Alex ist verheiratet. you can try to conjugate these verbs by placing different subjects by yourself. If you like this video, then do give it a thumbs up and share it further. You can subscribe us and click on the bell icon to get quick updates from our channel. If you have any queries regarding any of the videos, you can mail us. The email ID is mentioned in the description box, or you can also write in the comment section. Cheers!